Okay, so hi everyone, my name's Alex, and I've already been doing a couple of videos on Pygame, but I'm also interested in chemistry, so I thought I'd do like a little chemistry series as well, just in case, if you're revising for chemistry exams, for next year or A levels or whatever. I thought I'd do basic chemistry, then I could do a series on advanced chemistry, because I'm interested in chemistry more than I am physics or biology. So yeah, let's get started. So basic chemistry. So what are atoms? So an atom is the smallest particle of a chemical element. An atom is also, it's just like the tiniest thing you can have possible. I think they said it's the smallest possible thing known to man. It's just an extremely small thing, and it has three subatomic particles called neutrons, protons, and electrons. And I'll explain them now. So protons is the first one. A proton is a particle and has a positive charge and is located in the nucleus of an atom. And the nucleus is just like the centerpiece of an atom. It's just the middle. And the number of the protons in the nucleus of an atom is called the atomic number. So if the number of protons in, say, a random element is 7, then that means that the element has an atomic number of 7. There's also a mass number as well, I think, which is the atomic number plus the number of neutrons, or something like that. I might cover that later. So the second element, or not element, particle, is electrons. Electrons are negatively charged, and particles which are located outside of the nucleus and on the shells of the atom. Not the shelves, the shells. The shells are just on the outside of the atom. They just spin around, like the solar system. They just spin around the nucleus, and just spin, keep on spinning, and they just spin outside of the nucleus and around it. And the electrons are probably one of the most important parts of science, or the most important parts, because they're the reason that electricity is able to flow through, countless solids, as well as current being able to flow through solids, because there's a copious amounts of electrons flowing at one specific time, which allows electricity to be created and flowing through a current. So you can thank electrons for basically creating all these applications, helping create all these applications they have, so like TVs, tablets, etc. And then the final one is neutrons. Neutrons is another type of particle and is located inside the atom's nucleus. So you have the protons and the neutrons inside the atom's nucleus, but the electrons are on the shells outside of the nucleus. And the number of neutrons in the atom will determine the isotope of that element. The isotopes are the atoms which have the same number of protons but differing number of neutrons, i.e. carbon-12 has 6 neutrons or 8 protons. Oh god. Carbon-12 has 6 neutrons and 6 protons, sorry, I can't even add. 6 is 12, isn't it, yeah? And carbon-14 has 8 neutrons as well as 6 protons, so hopefully we can add this time. So 8 plus 6 is 14, and that means carbon-14. Therefore, we have the same number of protons and differing number of neutrons. And that's it. I've got a little example to show you. Hopefully if I can escape, is it? Yeah. So if I minimize this, this is a little drawing that I created. It's an absolute masterpiece. I'm selling it on eBay for £200 if anyone wants to buy it. So here we have, these are the shells here. Actually, what can I do? I'll just get a pen and move it. So this is the, oh god, what colour? Change to black. Is that black? These are just the shells outside. As you can see, there's the nucleus. 2 shells outside. I think the shell configuration is two shells, or 2 electrons, then 8 electrons, then another 8 electrons, or something. But these are the shells. As you can see, the negatively charged electrons are swinging around on the shells, just doing their own thing, just chilling, chillaxing, or cooling. And then here inside the nucleus, we have the positively charged proton, as well as the neutrally charged neutron. Now, the proton and the neutron is inside the nucleus, and the negatively charged electron is in the shell, and running along the shell, just doing whatever, and just chilling. So, yeah, I know it's a really short video, it's really basic, probably the most basic tutorial on chemistry possible. But I thought I'd start small and then just grow up from there. I'm planning on doing a couple more tutorials just to give, because I found out when I was doing my GCSEs or like learning about chemistry or technology or programming, there wasn't that many resources. There's the new Boston, he's really good, but I don't think he doesn't do many videos that much anymore. He used to be really good. And he had his own social network up as well. But yeah, anyway, hopefully you've learned something. If not, then just tell me in the comments what I can do better. And yeah, thanks for watching. So yeah, bye.